Hello, blessings, blessed be. This is High Priestess Jamela, and I wanted to come and talk to you guys about blood magic. Yes, I do offer blood magic to clients who do not feel comfortable with doing their own work. However, for my clients who do their work and need a little assistance, guidance, you may be beginner or intermediate, or you may just need some pointers on your lunar blood magic. You guys are more than welcome to contact me for sessions, coaching sessions. Of course, there are also readings so that we can talk about it, whatever is going on. Typically, when women are seeking to do any type of blood lunar magic, it is because of some kind of urgency or emergency. Also, lunar blood magic can be very healing. However, it needs to be done under proper guidance. Okay? Really, because you never know what's going on. There can be all sorts of spell workings, destiny projections, swappings. It just really depends on what your individual situation is. And there are certain signs that your body will give to you, such as either extra heavy or extra painful periods. Now, I understand that a lot of you women would want to go to the doctor and get cleared for certain things with that, and that's important, and I advise you to do that. However, those are also spiritual signs that there is something that you need to take care of, especially if you are having extra heavy, extra long, extra flowy, and just torrential periods. Okay. If you notice, during times in particular of spiritual warfare, your period volume will increase. And don't be annoyed by that. That is your body's natural way of protection. And there are certain rituals that you'll want to do, however, while following certain guidelines, okay, in order to do it. So if you guys want to schedule a private and confidential session with me, if you want the coaching, I always suggest at least 3 sessions with me to get the full benefit. And then, of course, follow-up sessions, depending on if there are other workings that are needed to be done along with it. Okay. And so, yeah, you guys can visit divineservicesapothecary.com, which will take you to my link tree, which you can click on my PayPal links to schedule your appointments. Okay. Well, yeah, my scheduler is on there too once you've purchased your reading. I also do accept Venmo as well as Cash App. Just contact me and I'll let you know which one to go to or to give you whatever information that you want. Okay. All right. I look forward to hearing from you guys. Make sure you hit that thumbs up, like, share, subscribe, and follow. All right. Blessings. Bye.